goes on. Face paint, thoughts afloat in the sun, laughter and joy for everyone. Euroblend plays tunes we adore, pop rock beats we can't ignore. Singing on the grass, we sway to the rhythm of this sunny day. Celebrate the bond we share, French delights in German fare. Beer, cheese, or water fair, the embassy we show we care. Under helmets, kids explore military displays and so much more. Follow animals and coloring fun, a day of peace where we're all one. Anticipation fills the air. Paris Olympics, we prepare. Sporting demos, dreams take flight. In this moment, everything's right. Lines for cheese and crackers long, people chanting, singing along. Beer is flowing, rich and strong, the taste of Europe in every song. It's the stories to be told, heritage is shared, broken on window, languageless. Whisper stories to be told, celebrate the bond we share. French delights and German fare, beer and cheese, oh what a pair. At the embassy we show we care. Sunshine kisses as we dine on French pastries, German wine. The joy of cultures intertwined, a moment of peace so divine. Together we laugh, together we cheer. In this space we have no fear. With every smile and every cheer, the friendship grows.